Good morning. This is SAS News Updates. Keep you up to date. So welcome to our informative and engaging session, Sun English News Talk Show. Today you will discover different information from health to sensory experiences and sustainable material. So let's welcome to our guest.
I am Mariam. I am medical professional. I am Umna Mansoor. I am health expert.
I am Rehan. I am an audio engineer.
I am Hajra. I am an ornithologist. I am Aiza Khan. I am neuropsychologist. I am Sania. I am dietitian.
I am Ishan and I am fitness trainer.
Nice to meet you. Now my question is to our medical professional. Please tell us what is high blood pressure and why is it concern for our health?
High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, untreated high blood pressure increases the risk of heart attack, stroke, and many other serious health problems.
Oh, it's very dangerous. But what lifestyle changes can help lower high blood pressure?
Healthy lifestyles such as not hypertension, untreated, and most of all be happy. Don't be aggressive. It can prevent and treat high blood pressure.
Thank you for such a great news. Now my question is to our health expert. Please tell us, fruits are good for all of us, but why eating a banana on an empty stomach is considered not safe? Why?
Yes, Saad, of course. Bananas are rich in potassium, fiber, and magnesium. But at the same time, the fruit acidic and experts suggest that consuming acidic food on an empty stomach can lead to digestive problems. That's why do not consume bananas on an empty stomach at all.
Thank you for such a great news. Now my question is to our audio engineer. Please tell us, what are the specific health risks associated with the headphone usage?
Headphone can increase bacteria in your ears. Wearing headphone for just an hour could increase bacteria 700 times. Limit volume level. Avoid listening at a high volume.
Oh, I have seen many people using headphones for long hours. They must know it is very dangerous for their health. Can you provide us for our new generation how to use headphones safely to minimize health concerns?
Take break. Keep headphone clean to prevent the buildup of dirt and bacteria. Whenever possible, try to wear your headphone in a quiet environment so you are not raising the volume to compensate for loud ambient noise around you.
Now my question is to our ornithologist. Now we will talk about feather fiber. Now my question is to our ornithologist. How the feather fiber are used in the variation of the development?
It is investigated that various use of feather fiber like in bedding and clothing, art and craft, and one of the most important use is it also can replace some of wood pulp which is used to make paper products. So in this way we can save more wood means more trees.
Wow, it's amazing. Like feather fiber can replace a material like wood pulp. Now we can save more trees.
Yes, sir. Recent study found that
Now we will shift our focus of the captive older smell and memory. What is the significance of the links between our senses of smell and memories?
Yes, sir. Recent study found that pleasant smell may help you remember things better. Therefore, smell is the sense most strongly linked to brain areas that are involved in emotion, learning, and memory. Memories are associated with smell. Scientists believe that smell and memories are so closely linked.
Thank you for such a great news. Now my question is to our dietitian. Please tell us why drinking chilled water are not good for our health, even though water is very important for our well-being.
We all know that it is extremely important to drink sufficient water to stay hydrated and drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. But most of us are drink chilled water because many of us are not aware to the fact that drinking chilled water or as well as cold beverages can do more harm than good because its effect on your digestion decreases heart rate, affect fat breakdown, leads to constipation. So drinking chilled water is not healthy for all of us.
Oh, now it also not drink chilled water are not good for our health. Thank you for such a super information. Now my question is to our fitness trainer. Does exercise make it easier for students to understand and remember things?
Research study explore the connection between exercise and the brain, providing strong evidence that exercise physically remodels the brain for the peak performance on all fronts.
And how does exercise help students with their thinking and feeling better?
It improves alertness, attention, and motivation because it prepares and encourages nerve cells to bind one and another, which boosts confidence and combat negative feelings.
We have just a whirlwind tour through high blood pressure, the magic of pleasant smell, correct usage of headphone, and found reason not to eat banana on an empty stomach. I hope you all enjoy this talk show. Now I would request our Honorable Ma'am Rafia Khan, please come forward.